Good morning everyone. My name is Keshav Kumar. I am a student of BSc IT first year and today I am here to demonstrate a program which is created on C language by me. So before going to demonstrate my program, I want to give the overview of language C. Language C is developed by Dennis Ritchie in Bell Laboratory, and we all know that C language is high level language as well as low level language, and combining this we can also call this mid level language. Now the basics features of C language is that it is widely used in making operating system, different types of application program and etc. Now I have used C language. The concept in C language is that while loop and if statement to demonstrate my program. Now we all know that C program we can create OS software a program, or you can create anything by using user defined function and system defined function. Now before going to demonstrate my program, my program is based on Armstrong number. What is Armstrong number? A number whose the sum of individual cube is equal to the particular number is called Armstrong number. Now this is the program. Before going to my compiler, I want to say that this is while loop. I have used here while loop for repeating the condition. Whenever the condition is true, the while loop will repeat. When the conditions become false, we come out from while loop. Now I have used if statement to verify my condition. If the condition is true, last stage is print Armstrong number. If the condition is false, this will print this is not Armstrong number. Now I go to my program. 4 variables int, n, r, sum and temp. Now how this program will run in the background or in the RAM, I will show you. And this n I have taken to input my number from the keyboard. R will give the remainder when my code inside the while loop will be executed. Sum when this line of the while block here, what is the value of sum, I will keep in sum. Now temp, I have taken temp to match the number what I have taken initially, and if the number will match, then this will print Armstrong number. If the number will not match, this will print not an Armstrong number. Now I will discuss in memory what is going on. First, let's suppose we take 371. Obviously this is an Armstrong number. If this is true, then this will run and this will print. Now I will explain you what is going on in RAM. Our value n equal to 371. Here I have declared temp equal to n. What I have taken in n, this will automatically goes in temp. Now when our values last come in sum, then we match this value and this value. If this value becomes true, then this will print this will print an Armstrong number. Otherwise this will print not an Armstrong number. Let's we take number 371. Now this line will be executed. Is 371 is greater than 0? Yes. If greater than 0, 371 modulo 10. This will give remainder 1. Initially the remainder is 0, we have not taken any remainder, so in system the remainder will be 0. Now after executing this code, the remainder will be 1. Now initially the value of sum is 0. Now this line will be executed. What is the value of sum? 0. 0 plus what is the remainder? 1. This will get 1. Now the sum is 1. Now this will execute. Now what is the value of n? 371. 371 divided by 10. This gives 37.1, but we are using int data type, so we will ignore this value. 0.1 will be ignored because we are using int data type. So what is the value of n is now 37. Now the value of n is 37. Then again we will repeat this loop. Here the value of n is 37, which is greater than 0. Now 37 modulo 10, this gives remainder 37 modulo 10, this gives remainder 7. Now what is my remainder? 7. Now again this line will run. What is the initial value of sum? 1 plus what is the remainder? 7. So this will become 1 plus 343. This will become 343. Now again 37 divided by 10, this gives 3.7. Again we will exclude this value because our data type is int. So the new value of 3 is 37, n is 3. Now here the condition is, now after entering the new value of 3, this satisfies the while loop. Now again this will run. And what is 3 modulo 10? 3 modulo 10, remainder gives 3. Now in remainder column the RAM will keep 3. Now what is the value of sum? 343. And the new remainder 3. 343 plus 27. Now this will become 371. Now 3 divided, this line will be executed. After doing this line will be executed. Now 3 divided by 10, this will give 0.3. Now we will ignore this value because again we are using our data type int, so the value becomes 0. Now what is the value of n? Our n becomes 0, so the n is not greater than 0, so we came out from the loop. Now this condition will be checked. If temp equal to sum, what is my value in temp? 371. And what is the last value in sum is stored in the variable 371. This value is matching. Now this value is matching, then if condition is matching, this line will be printed, otherwise this line will be printed. So the value is matching, so when we compile this will show this is an Armstrong number. So I am running in the compiler.
Save in another location. receive as
Now here we will enter our number. If we enter 371, which is our Armstrong number, then this will showing that this is an Armstrong number. Let we take another example that is not an Armstrong number. Let's suppose we take any number 207. This is not an Armstrong number. According to the program, this will displaying like that. Thank you. If anyone have some questions, please ask.
anybody want to have a question?
Tell me difference between while loop and if else statement. समझ गया?
Okay. And now in this program, I have used while loop and if statement. The difference between while loop and the if statement is that we use while loop for repeating our conditions. If there are more than two or more conditions or whatever
Statements.
okay, statements, we can use the while loop or other type of loop, for loop, the while loop. And the if construct is I have used because the if is used for deploying or checking the condition true or false. If the condition is true, this will print true. If the condition is false, this will print false. In if we can also use if nested if. Thank you.
In Armstrong number, can we use a negative number?
If we use negative number, then it will not show any output, because in negative number the sum of individual digit will give negative number. Okay, let's we take negative numbers. Now let's we take an Armstrong number which is negative. See, this will showing this is not Armstrong number. Actually, we have studied that the Armstrong number is defined on positive numbers, because I have not studied or seen the Armstrong number in negative values.